So are you an over-the-road truck driver struggling to make the decision on what career path you want to take? What if I were to tell you that actually the decision is not quite as challenging as you think it might be? So in this video, Robbie's going to spend some time talking about the differences between being an independent contractor and being a company driver. And frankly, we want to make sure that you're choosing a lifestyle that fits best for you.
So number one, let's talk pay. And the differences between a company driver and an independent contractor. Obviously, with a company driver, the things we talk about is the stability, the consistency. Whereas an independent contractor, there's way more opportunity for the higher reward, but there's also a higher risk. The one thing that I would say drivers need to look at the most is whether they need that consistency or whether they're looking for the high reward and what best fits them and their family. Number two, let's talk about responsibilities. And what I mean by that is, as a company driver, the reason it's more consistent is because some of the things like breakdown pay, and with an independent contractor, how much more responsibility you have as an independent contractor running your own business. Taking care of your own rental car, taking care of your own hotel, taking care of the maintenance on the truck, taking care of the meals. Let's talk about number three. And there is big differences between a company driver and an independent contractor, in the sense that a company driver, you can really be a lot more consistent with, I want to be home every 2 weeks, and really be on that schedule and still be successful. Whereas an independent contractor running your own business, you're going to find that with the freight and the freight values, you're going to need to be a little more flexible, and you're going to need to maybe be out 2 weeks, maybe be out 3 weeks. And we do have drivers that stay out much longer. And obviously, as an independent contractor, the longer you stay out, the more opportunity you're going to have to make revenue. Number four, freight options. And what I mean by that is, as a company driver, we've got a program in place to make company drivers successful. So when you're dispatched on a load, you're expected to deliver the load. As an independent contractor, you've got some responsibilities to your business as a business owner. And you've got to decide what best fits you and your family and your needs. And it still is a partnership with whatever company you're signed on, but now you've got a little more flexibility on how you run.
I just want to take a moment to say thank you for tuning in to the Truck Driver channel. We're producing these videos on a weekly basis to help all of you making your decisions as a professional commercial tractor trailer driver. Get your question answered about which is the best fit for you driving for ATS, whether that's being a lease driver or being a company driver. Go to our driveforats.com website and fill out a contact form, or join us. Every Wednesday at 7 p.m. at Central Standard Time, we have a Facebook Live, Ask Us Anything, cover all of these topics then. So listen, if this video is helpful for you, I'm going to ask that you do like it. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell. That way you're going to be able to follow all of our future videos that we're making to try to help you out down the road. I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video, and we'll see you all on the road.